Okay, hi there. So I've got a little problem. It's this. Big thing, or it's kind of a window. It have been here before in this area. Have been. We took it out, replaced it to a more efficient window, and the problem is this doesn't fit in any car or big transport or anything else. So let's try my solution. I try a solution. I'll destroy that and cut that up, because I also try to sell it or to give it away for free, but nobody wants something old like that somehow. And okay, so the plan is this thing. We are rolling here out. Afterwards, I put the foil above everything, and then I'll try to hammer it down and try to destroy the glass, and then pick it up and drive a few times to throw that stuff away. Let's see how it goes. Well, okay, preparations are done. It lays down flat, foil is above that, the other thing is under it, so the glass won't shatter everywhere. Let me give you a hint, a tip. To it with a friend. My goodness, this thing nearly broke my back. Oh my. But let's continue. Now the fun part begins with the hammer. Job done. Now I get the foil up, and I think I will first cut it in small pieces and then grab everything. Yes, that's the plan. Wow, thick stuff. I'm sweating because this is the soft side, but you need to flex it, and it somehow works. I got a smaller part, and now I can continue my work. I'll cut it further on, and in the end I'll roll everything, the whole glass inside, and put it into buckets. See ya. I'm wasted. I'm done. Let's show you everything is gone, and let me show you where everything is. As you see, this whole thing is gone, ripped apart. Some stuff here, what was laying there, then this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Dangerous. And to be honest, I believe I will vacuum clean the area first. Using I don't know the word, this thing, to have everything in one place, and then vacuum clean it, I believe, because I don't know, I believe somewhere here definitely is some glass left, and since we have a toddler, it is necessary that everything is clean when he, for example, runs around here, that nothing happens. Well, that's it. Thank you.